This is the lagoon. It's about a 15-minute walk from the hotel we stayed at, which was the BlueBay Grand Esmeralda. You just literally walk straight along the beach until you get to this bridge and you're there. It's definitely worth the walk. Here in Mexico they have been having a lot of problems with excess seaweed. We were here in December and it wasn't too bad. There was a bit of seaweed but not too bad. But if there is a lot on the beach, this is a great alternative to come to. I just love how clear the water is and you can see down into it and look at all the fish. There is a nice little current that will carry you from under the bridge and along towards the end where the beach is. A little bit of swimming is involved but not much at all. It's just a short distance until you can stand up again. Here you can see a black line. The black line is seaweed. It seems to be where different currents meet. It doesn't seem to cross over onto this part of the beach. It stays around the perimeter and it doesn't enter the lagoon. As you can see, this part of the beach is very shallow. It's not too cold as well. As I say, we're here in December and it was pretty pleasant for us to be able to get in. But where the seaweed is, it's even warmer. We're used to beaches in Europe which are a lot colder than this, so getting into the sea here is really easy. Love the crystal clear water because you can see everything here. We really do appreciate you watching any of our videos, so please hit the like button and subscribe to see more. There's a great beach here with hardly anybody on it. It's a lovely place to come and relax. Look at that, almost got it to yourself.